What's up guys, and welcome to KW Customs, and let's crack on with the track car show car build. So what's been happening with the track car show car fiesta? We got a bit carried away. It's kind of wrapped. Let's have a look.
You can basically
spoil this self-tap on the bastard on.
You could more or less fit it with a hammer and a can of WD-40.
That double sided sticker tape in there for the mix. Just to really spice it up.
No doing that. I'll take it off.
That's a pound of coke coming right over it.
I'll take it off and do that.
Okay, what's happening today?
Nobody's seen this yet.
Nobody's seen it at all.
So, Kev was going to vlog all of this. Didn't do anything. So, quick refresh. We have a spoiler. We have a half-wrapped car. We have
3/4.
one bucket seat. And now we're taking this seat out because over there
We've got a very bright
you
cage.
can't really miss it.
Sam,
Oh,
what you up to?
sound so gay, the pair of yous. You want me for? I'm not helping you.
See you though.
Fuck off. You need to look at that leg. That seems to be sitting further out.
Footwell, nice and clean. Now to get the cage in. Kyle, do you think it's going to go in easy?
I've got to have confidence.
Sam, do you think it's going to go in easy?
Nope.
We'll see what happens.
So, we've got some
What we got in the
live,
car?
some live
It's a
insects.
caterpillar.
The guy's absolutely rubber on the APC.
Save me!
He's living his best life.
Save me!
Just leave it there. Yeah, let's get this a look.
Take one, fitting cage.
Fucking scaled.
Maybe put the handbrake up.
Aye. Nope. They go in here.
Aye, so I think that's what I'm saying. I think they might go up there. But they'll probably need to trim the cards anyway.
Wait a minute, in a new position. Do you think?
Right, so I think towards us. And then
Right, no, I'm stuck now.
Aye, so your leg needs to
maybe
kink
it is
in.
exactly where I thought it was. Then.
Aye.
No, I'm hitting there.
I moved the seat out with the way I'm kind of alright. So my side needs to up first.
See, I'm level, I could just slide back if I wasn't hitting the cable.
But you're up here and I'm down here, so it's stopping me from. I'm trying to call myself forward.
Aye, so it must come quite far back then.
Right, so watch. I have one of wire harness there.
Fucking Stephen.
Wait a minute, what's this another wire harness?
There we go.
It does go where I thought it went. It does. I thought it went up here, that's why I took the door cards off. Obviously it goes back a bit so that you can get more fucking hanging. Because these will need to get bolted down up here. So that carpet will come off, you'll need to either pull this carpet forward or just cut it.
Sam's pretty much back, just you need to come back a wee bit, I think, Kevin.
Rip it then?
In's in.
Definitely.
One attempt. Squeeze it in the hole. Ta-da! Right, Kyle, what we doing?
Just drilling holes.
Some big fat holes in the corner.
Yeah, this is going to come back out. Ground car seems like such an aggressive thing. Beautiful.
Kyle fitting the seats. Sam Dane, who you doing today? Fuck all.
No, I've done my work today. Get that fucking right.
TikTok live, say hello. What?
I found them. We're all good, false alarm.
I do not recall when I put the bolts. It sounds familiar in here.
Yeah.
So we are wrapped in tech wrap. Flippy colours. The white's the same. Obviously you need the sun for that. We went with the yellow, got to keep the yellow. Some eyebrows. Nice new Delta styling. Thanks to Jamie for hitting us up with the painted bottom grills. Adrian for the smooth front end and other repairs. So we've still got loads and loads of graphics to put onto it, still not finished. But we got our first sponsor for the build. Let's see what we've got. Here they're here. PED 3D printing. Let's see what they made us. So we get some brake ducts so we can keep the cooling on the track for the brakes to minimum. Even put on a KW logo. Inside he is going to be doing all these parts ready to sell. We've also got some intakes for the front end, which will be pretty cool. We can get them sorted out and we'll put his link down there somewhere. You can check out his Facebook page. So what else have we done? We really should have videoed as much as we could, but it's so busy at the moment. Give me a second. So we have Kyle's ride racing seats that we stole off him. We went for the TRS harnesses, and we have the cage just in case anything happens. So the cage is for JFD. The harnesses will be round the bars, they're just sitting in place now. We need to get them bolted in. We've got the spoiler, thank you Cameron. We've got that powder coated. You can't really see it here, but it matches the wrap. The plan is to get our name up the side of it, some hexagon graphics. No figured out how we're going to do it yet, still need some wheels. Next week we'll get the brakes done, we will film that. We've got an exhaust on the way, and then after that, engine build. So we're going to try and do as much of it as we can, and if we don't, then it's getting left at ARC Performance Store to fix all our mess. We'll see what happens. So that's it for this episode. Thanks very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, it's just down there, or there, maybe. We're about here. Thanks to Ped Printing for hooking us up for all the parts. I will put his link so you can check out his stuff. Send my message, tell him we said hello. Next week we will get the brakes done. And if you want to check out some of our stuff as it happens, we've been doing a wee bit of TikTok live, and you can check that out. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.